Good morning, students. This day I discuss number in your grammar class. In the previous day I have already discussed noun and its different kinds of noun, and I clearly discussed this. Today I will discuss about number. What do you mean by number? In math I will discuss you. Number means digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar case here, that is number means digit. But in the grammar there are two kinds of number: singular number, plural number. Singular number means one, only one. That is a boy, a girl, a tree, a bird, a flower. These are all singular numbers. What is plural number? Plural number means more than one. That is 1 and half, more than 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 boys, 3 girls, 5 biscuits, 7 chocolates. If more than 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it calls the plural number. But plural number means when we say about plural numbers, that is we add s. Naturally we add s or es with the singular noun. That is, there are many rules to change singular to plural. Now, do you understand number and what kinds of number? Number is a digit. There are two kinds of number, singular and plural. When we mean one, that is called singular number. More than one, that is called plural number. Singular number, plural number. Do you understand singular number, plural number? That is one singular number, one book, one tree, one flower. That is plural number, more than one. Do you understand? Thank you. There are many rules for changing singular nouns to plural nouns. That is, first number, we add s to some nouns to make it plural. That is boat, boats, B-O-A-T, 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 boat, boats. Girl, girls. River, rivers. Mountain, mountains. Tree, trees. These are called, this is the first rule. That is, naturally we add s with the singular number to make it plural. This is the first rule, natural rule. Simply this is the rule, general rule. Next number, add es if the word ends with sh, ch, s, es. Then we add es at the end of these words to make it plural. That is bench, B-E-N-C-H, benches, B-C-H and C-H, that is we add benches. Church, church, C-H-U-R-C-H, church, C-H, C-H-U-R-C-H, yes, C-H, last C-H ends with C-H, so yes. B-O-X, box, X, that is B-O-X-E-S, boxes. If we add dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, that is dresses, D-R-E-S-S-E-S, double S, E-S. That is bush, S-H, bush, that is bush, B-U-S-H, bush, that is B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. L-E-N-S, lens, L-E-N-S-E-S, lens. Ladies, Alien, S-lanes, alien, SES. Okay. If that is next number 2, if the word is ends with S, SH, CH, S, double X, X and TCH, we add ES with the main noun, that is box, BOX, last word X, BOX, EX, boxes. Bench, BENCH, last word CH, so BENCH, ES, benches. Okay. Number 1, naturally we add S with the main noun, that is plural number, boy, boys, girls, girl. Second number, if the any word ends with CH, SH, X, TCH and double S, X, we add ES at the end of the word and make it plural. Okay. Third number, Y. If any word ends with Y and before Y there is a letter consonant, then we omit Y and we add in the place of Y we add IES, that is BABY, baby. BABIES, babies. Y. BABY, baby. Y. YK, before Y the letter is consonant B, so BABIS. Y, you omit it Y and then you put BABIES, babies. Cherry, CHERRY, cherry. CHERRY, Y omit कर दो, Y उठा दो, Y के in the place of Y IES, cherries. Do you understand? But if any word ends with Y and the previous letter of Y is a vowel, then we do not omit Y, only at the end of the word we add only S, not IES, S. That means DAY, day, Y, last word Y. Before this we put DA, A vowel, that means DAYS. Consonant होता तो IES, लेकिन vowel है A. KEY, key. Y के पहले before Y there is a vowel E, so keys, KEYS, keys. Do you understand? You must remember it. If any word ends with Y and Y before Y there is a vowel, we simply add S, that is day, 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 DAYS, days. BOY, boy, BOYS, boys. KEY, key, KEYS, case. But if the word ends in Y and before Y there is a consonant, then we omit Y and in the place of Y we put IES, that is baby, BABY. Y, last word Y, उसके पहले वाला word है B, so BABY, in the place of Y IES, babies. Cherry, CHERRY, Y के before Y R consonant, so CHERRIES, cherries. Teddy, 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 TEDDIES, teddies, cherry. BABY, berry, 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 BERRIES, berries. Okay. Next rule, 1, 2, 3 number, 4 number rules हो गया, change का rules. There is 3 number हो गया. Next number, when any word ends with O, that is we only put ES. At the end of the letter we add ES to make it plural, that is potato. POTATO. O, last word O, POTATOES, potatoes. Mango, 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 MANGOES, mangoes. Add es in the singular noun that ends with o. That is potato, potatoes. Yes. Mango, mangoes. If any word end with o, we add es at the end of the letter to make it plural. Potato, potato-es. Mango, mangoes, mangoes. Okay. Next number. Add s in the singular noun that ends with ie, double o, or eo, and the same nouns that end with o. Some words we add s. Singular, we add s with the singular number if the word ends with ie, double o, eo, and some nouns that end with only o. Exceptional, that is igloo, 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 double o, igloos, igloos, piep, e, so pies, peace. Video, video, videos, videos. Piano, piano, piano. Oh, exceptional. Some words are exceptional, so pianos, pianos. Potato o है लेकिन but we add es. लेकिन piano we add s. Some words are exceptional, so you remember it. You read it thoroughly and you must learn it. Number 6. If any word end with f or fe, then we simply omit f or fe, and in the place of f or fe we add ves when we change singular to plural. That is life, life, lives, lives. Wolf, wolf, wolves, wolves. Singular noun देखो life, 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 fe, so lives, lives. wolf, wolf, wolves, wolves. Okay, but there are some exceptional. If some singular nouns end with f, we add only s to the singular noun. That is chief, chief. You remember it? Chief, chiefs, s. Proof, proofs. Roof, roofs. Calf, calf, calf. calf, calf. calves, calves. Wife, wives. Loaf, 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 loaves, loaves. shelf, self, selves. Ourself, ourselves, selves. These are the words, but some words we add only s. That is cheap, chips, cliff, cliffs, gulf, gulfs, roof, roofs, proof, proofs, belief, beliefs, brief, briefs. Okay. Or some noun has two plural forms. Dwarf, dwarf का plural number dwarfs भी होता है, dwarfs भी dwarf, dwarfs, dwarves. Two, you may two, anyone. Hoof, hoofs, or hoofs. Some words have two. Scarf, 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 scarves, scarves. Dwarf, dwarfs or dwarfs, ves or fs. That is hoof, hooves or hoovs. Two arrives, two forms are rights. Okay. Some words are compound words. Two words, that is brother-in-law, father-in-law, passerby. Root words, we add s with the root words. That is brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, not brother-in-laws, brothers-in-law. Root word brother. Passerby, passers-by. This and this. Next number, there are some irregular plural forms. Not regular, ekdom that is totally changed. That is man, men, men. Child, childs nahi hoga, children. Foot, feet. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Louse, lies. This and this. Irregular. Man, men, child, children, foot, feet, ox, oxen. Okay. Some nouns have same singular plural same ही होता है. Deer, dozen, sheep, SHEEP, deer, dozen, singular plural एक ही. Deer, dozen. Deer is a wild animal or deer are wild animals. Similar. Deers नहीं होता है. Deers, it is deers, incorrect word. Deer, dozen. DOZD and dozen. I buy 1 dozen apples, but I buy 2 dozen apples. 2 dozen. Dozens नहीं होगा. 2 dozen apples. Okay. Some words in English are borrowed from other languages. These words from plural in a different manner. Some words we borrow from other language. That is, some words we can borrow from Italian language. Some words we borrow from French language. Some words we borrow from Chinese. These are there is the plural form is totally different. That is alga होगा algias, alga, ALGAC, GAE, algia. Cactus, not cactuses होगा, cacti. Fungus, fungi. Oasis, etc. You should remember it, you should learn it and remember it. Some words, some nouns are generally used as plural. Always plural. Singular, that is always plural. That is deer, sheep, dozen. Singular, plural, similar. But some words are always plural. Arms, riches, scissors, polish, trousers, furnishings, etc. Some words are always plural. Arms, riches, scissors, polish, trousers, furniture, furnishings, etc. These are the rules of the number, and so I discuss you about number and what is called number, how many counts of number, singular, plural, what is called number, the digit is called number, singular, plural, and some rules I discussed in the class, that in which word we add s only, which word we add es, which word we if the word is end is ch, double s, x, we add es. Simply we add s with the singular number to make it plural. Some words, if the word is end with y and before y there is a consonant, we add is, that is baby, b-a-b-y, y-k, before y, b consonant, so b-a-b-i-e-s, babies. Some word ends with y and before y there is a vowel. If there is a vowel, that is we add s only, that is day, d-a-y, day, y, before y there is a, so days. Some words, if the word is end with f or fe, we add ves. In the place of f we add ves, that is calf, c-a-l-v-e-s, calves. Loaf, 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 l-o-a-v-e-s, loaves. But some word only we add F change only Y. Thank you. Next day we will discuss it. Okay.